Do you still think rebar production requires a massive plant, hundreds of workers, and tens of millions in investment? What if I told you that a full production line can fit in a space of 180 square meters and reach full capacity in just 2 months? Today I'll show you the numbers and they might surprise you. Also how much one line actually produces, the volumes it generates, and under what conditions the project even makes sense to launch. Without years of ramping up, without complex infrastructure, everything is quite fast and high-tech. Let's go. Block 1. Annual volumes. Let's start with the most interesting question. How much does it produce in numbers? One line produces an average of 1.5 to 2 tons of product per day. That's about 700 tons of product per year. For example, when producing 12mm diameter rebar, that's about 8.5 million meters per year. And this is no longer a mini production. This is a serious volume that allows working with the wholesale market, but not yet a plant requiring kilometer-long hangars. Launch without chaos. But of course, it's not without mistakes. The main mistake beginners make is buying equipment and being left alone with it. Our company supports the production launch at all stages. Help with organizing the infrastructure of the future production facility, help with delivery, equipment installation, commissioning, and staff training. In the end, the entrepreneur gets not just a set of equipment, but a ready-made technology and a fully prepared turnkey business. This is a fundamental difference. Market and prospects. Now let's see who actually needs this. Composite rebar is used in private construction, road projects, agriculture, and industry. The sales market is wide and constantly growing, and by 2030, the share of composite materials in construction is predicted to increase more than 5-fold. This means long-term demand and sustainability of the sector. We're not talking about a temporary trend, but a technological shift in the industry. Income and payback. And now the question that interests everyone most. How much can you earn from this?
With an average markup of about 5 cents per meter, potential profit with a steady workload can exceed $330,000 a year. Even in a conservative scenario, we're looking at roughly $130,000 in annual income.
Under favorable conditions, equipment investments can pay off in the first 1 to 2 months, after which production reaches a stable profit due to volume and constant demand. If you're considering launching your own production of composite rebar or mesh, it's important to calculate the model specifically for your conditions. Region, volumes, sales format. Via the link in the description, you can get a consultation, profit calculation, and a step-by-step plan for launching a turnkey business. We'll break down the numbers and show how it works in practice. Follow the link and make a decision based on facts, not assumptions.